Welcome back to my 1 minute video learning. In this session, I'll be introducing a new concept called cloud thinking. Let me explain why I need this concept and how we can actually benefit from this. See, around 2006, cloud computing made public appearance with a modest set of three fundamental services called infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Even then, these services were aimed at other institutions or enterprises. In a decade since then, cloud computing has grown into a mega store offering millions of services, which has become known as anything as a service. Imagine an activity, functionality, or a process. It is certainly available as a cloud service. For example, storage as a service, backend as a service, communication as a service, and more. So you think of a service activity, then it is always for sure available as a service. In fact, one of the cloud computing deployment models, public cloud, has made cloud one of the most well-known institutions today. For millions of people, day starts and ends with cloud computing. For example, it may start with an alert they are getting by a subscription service or an application which they use to schedule the following day's activities. In fact, public cloud services such as email and online docs have become integral part of our work and life space. With variety of new services added by the minute, the cloud computing is expected to become a constant companion for most of us in our daily life and in the days to come, whether you are a nursery kid or a researcher in a well-known lab. With this in mind, the time has come to consider cloud as a useful resource so that actually we can make and integrate. So in order to understand the power of cloud computing and to integrate in our life, we need a different kind of a thinking approach, which is called cloud thinking. So cloud thinking is the process of harnessing cloud resources in our life and work context. It consists of the following steps: recognizing cloud as a resource, discovering cloud resources, evaluating cloud resources suitability for our use, and using them in our day-to-day context.